Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Haji Muhammad bin Marzuki. Nombor metric saya F115. So today I will explain about this figure 1. So a Q is a linear data structure that follow the first in first out that we call FIFO principle. Elements are added to the Q at the tail and removed from the Q at the head. The enqueue operation add new element to the tail of the Q. The dequeue operation remove the element from the head of the Q and return it. In the given sequence of operation, the first element 100 is added to the Q, then is removed from the Q. Next 120 and 140 are added to the Q. Since the dequeue operation is invalid, the Q remains unchanged. Finally, 190, 160 is added to the Q. The final stage of the Q is shown in the diagram above. So for the next is interior stage. Q kurungan front sama dengan -1 and back -1. So EQA Q kurungan A tutup kurungan from equal 0, back equal 0, equal B, Q kurungan A and B tutup kurungan front equal 0, back equal 1. So for the X DDQ Q kurungan B front sama dengan 1, back sama dengan 1, X equal 1. In QC Q kurungan B tutup kurungan and C tutup kurungan front equal 1, back equal 2. Di Q sama dengan kurungan C tutup kurungan C front equal 2, back equal 2. So for the diagram for each statement Q diagram, in Q A EQ B AB, X DQ Q B, EQ C BC, EQ Q C. From the back value for the Q after each statement from back. So for the EQA 0 0, EQB 0 1. For the X and DQQ 1 1 and equal to 1 2, DQ 2 2. So for the step 1, Q equal new Q kurungan 4. So this create a new Q with a capacity of 4. This means that the Q can hold up the 4 elements. Step 2, Q EQ kurungan 3 in Q the value 3 to the Q, in Q an element to Q add the element to the end of the Q. Step 3, Q deduct Q. So this deduct Q an element from the Q, deduct Q an element from a Q, remove the element from the front of the Q. Step 4, this EQ the value set to the Q. Step 5, this EQ the value 9 to the Q. Q diagram after each step. Step 1 kurungan, step 2 kurungan dengan 3, step 3 front -1 and back -1, step 4 front 0, back 0, step 5, front 0, back 1.